Hello, I'm Steve Cantor with Optimal Process. Appreciate you watching this video. Well, we do all kinds of software database stuff. Today I want to talk to you about food production and lot traceability. Stuff for food producers, manufacturers. Let's jump right in and we'll log in and put in our super secret password, and here we are. Got a bunch of choices. We're going to start with products. We're going to make breakfast bars, set a price for them, etc. We've got ingredients for whatever it is that we make. We've got recipes for the breakfast bars, etc. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. A batch is when you actually make a batch of bars or whatever it is that you're making. And you've got the details for it, however many recipes. If a recipe is a full sheet and you're making 5 sheets, 5 times the recipes. Then you go take photos of the lot numbers of all the ingredients that you're using, and this is traceability. So you've got a batch and you pick the ingredient that you're, whatever picture you've taken, whatever product, peanut butter, eggs, etc., etc. And excuse me, there's plenty more, but that's the long and short of it. Reach out, and love to hear from you. You can find me at optimalprocess.com or otherfoodskitchen.com, or shoot me an email at steve@optimalprocess.com. All good. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.